This is Abira. My group name is Five Fingertips. Five Fingertips means reading skills, picture reading, emotions, creative thinking, LSRW. These all we learn in our stories. Do you know my favorite story? It is Heart Samosa. Let us read Heart Samosa. Heart Samosa. Appa likes cooking. Ammu likes watching him cook. What is Appa cooking today? Puri and potatoes. Amma's favorite vegetable. Noodles. Appa's favorite. Fried rice. Ammu's favorite. Ammu sees vegetables on the table. The vegetable looks fresh. Appa cuts red onions and green chilies. Chop, chop, chop. Ammu peels boiled potatoes. Appa makes dough with flour, salt and water. Mix, mix, mix. Knead, knead, knead. Ammu touches the dough. The dough is soft and smooth. Appa is making samosas, everybody's favorite. Appa heats oil in a pan. He fries the samosas in the oil. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. What a noise they make. Yum, yum, yum. Ammu sniffs the air. The samosas are hot. The samosas smell wonderful. The samosas are crispy. The samosas taste delicious. Thank you, Appa. Your samosas are the best. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Manvita. Today I am saying a story. A story name is Arun Helps Amma. Arun's Amma is sick. She has fever and resting in bed. Arun's father has gone to the office. Arun's sister has gone to visit her friend Salma. Arun wants Amma to get better. He fetches her some hot water. He fetches her some pills from the medicine cabinet. What more can I do? He wonders. Arun has an idea. Amma always says a clean home is a happy home. Arun goes into the kitchen. He wipes the counter. Whoops. He wipes the table. He tidies up his cupboard and bookshelf. Arun is hungry after all the work. He goes into the kitchen to make himself a jam sandwich. Maybe he should make one for Amma too. Amma walks into the kitchen. She hugs Arun for being a wonderful boy. Arun is delighted to see Amma feeling much better and she laughs. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sahasra Reddy. I am studying first class. My favorite story is Kitty's Wonderful Day. Kitty's Wonderful Day. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. Kitty stretches on the mat. It's rain outside. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. And the air is cool. What a lovely day. There is a rainbow too. Kitty curls up on her bed and look at the sky. The sun has gone away from the night. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The stars are shiny, pretty and bright. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Nakshatra. My story is lunchtime. David's grandfather, Mr. John, works at Hot Meals. It is the biggest restaurant in town. Mr. John delivers hot meals to all those who orders food at Hot Meals. He delivers them to homes and offices in his big blue van. The food is ready in the kitchen. There are white boxes of different sizes. The boxes are hot. There are cups of juice. The cups are cold. There are straws and tissue papers. There are spoons and forks. Mr. John puts everything into his huge delivery bag. He is ready to zoom off in his big blue van. First, Mr. John goes to the David school. He gives Mrs. Krishnan, the school principal, had lunch. He had lunch. She had ordered fried rice and vegetable soup. The box is hot. Thank you, Mr. John, says Mrs. Krishnan. Enjoy your meal, says Mr. John. Next, Mr. John goes to the hospital. He gives the nurse 2 cups of juice. Thank you, Mr. John, she says with a smile. Enjoy your juice, says Mr. John. Mr. John walks is over. Now he is hungry. He sits under the tree, opens his lunchbox. What does he buy?
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Sai Munagnya. Today I am saying a story. My favorite story is Kitty Wants to Swim. Kitty wants to swim. Pew, it is a hot day. Kitty has an ice cream, but it melts fast under the sun. Kitty wants to go for a swim, but where should she go? Maybe the beach? She remembers going to the beach on a hot day. The beach was crowded. There were families playing different games. Some were playing with bouncing ball and flying discs. Others were flying kites. Some children were building sand castles. By the way, the beach is not a meeting city. Maybe the lake. She remembers going to the lake. There were bright yellow flowers and tall green grass around the water. There were colorful birds chirping and tiny little red ants that bite her. There were lots of flies too. They were buzzing in her ear. The lake is not for making kitty. She remembers going to the river with her friends. They had a wonderful swim, but the river was deep and her mother had told her
never go to there again. Maybe the swimming pool not a good idea. The security guard will not let her in for a swim. Swimming pools are not for cats. Kitty is upset, but not for long. There is a huge puddle of water just before her. Kitty jumps in. It may not be a pool, but Kitty is cool. Thank you.